Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to allow asking for Clipboard permission in the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. If you want to control how Facebook accesses your Clipboard, this guide will show you exactly what steps to follow. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Make sure it's the latest version so you'll see all the newest features and settings. Once you have the app open, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice 3 dots. This is your menu for additional options. Click on these 3 dots to open up the drop-down menu. Now, from this menu, find and select App Info. This will bring you to a new set of options specifically related to your Facebook app's settings and permissions. Once you're in App Info, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section where you can manage how the app interacts with your device. Within Settings, scroll down and find the section called More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to reveal even more detailed controls for your app's privacy and data access. Here's where things get interesting. Look for the setting labeled Clipboard. This controls how Facebook can access text or data you've copied on your device. Next to where it says Clipboard, you'll see several options. To enable Facebook to ask before accessing your Clipboard, choose the option labeled Ask. This means every time the app wants to access something you've copied, you'll get a prompt to allow or deny that request. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your privacy in check. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've updated your Clipboard permission settings in the Facebook app on your PC. Now you have full control, and you'll always know when Facebook tries to access your Clipboard. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks.